Hey everyone, my name is Antonio. Welcome to my money journey. Here on the channel, I share my journey in the world of trading and, of course, the achievements that come with it. In today's video, we are going to talk about the main types of markets where you can trade. Have you ever heard of Forex, cryptocurrencies, futures or indices? Each one has its own characteristics, advantages and risks. And understanding this difference is essential to decide where you are going to operate in the market. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel and let's jump into the video. Let's start with Forex, the largest financial market in the world. Here, the focus is on currency pairs, like Euro USD, GBP JPY, SHA USD, and so on. You are not actually buying dollars or euros. You are speculating on the value of one currency relative to another. This market moves trillions of dollars a day and runs 24 hours a day. The advantages? High liquidity, 24/5 trading, and many short-term opportunities. The risks? It requires constant attention, a lot of discipline, and high leverage can be dangerous. This one is more familiar. The stock market is where you buy shares of company listed on the exchange. It is the most well-known type of investments for the general public. If you buy shares, you are becoming a part owner of the company. In trading, the goal is to profit from short or medium-term price movements. Advantages include high transparency, regulation, wide access through national brokers, and asset variety. Risks include lower volatility compared to other markets and the direct impact of political and economic decisions. The famous crypto market emerged as an alternative to the traditional financial system, and today it is one of the most active for traders. Trading crypto means dealing with decentralized assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. It's a 24/7 market, operating every day of the week. Advantages include non-stop trading, high volatility, and great trade opportunities. Risks: high market manipulation in some assets and aggressive government regulation attempts to collect more taxes. Commodities are physical goods like gold, oil, soybeans, coffee, and yes, you can trade these assets in the financial market. Prices fluctuate based on global supply and demand, weather, geopolitics, and other factors. In the futures market, you trade contracts that represent assets like the dollar, index, corn, oil, and more. You are not buying the actual asset. You are trading a contract that predicts the asset price on the future date. The perks? High liquidity and leverage, meaning you can start with relatively low capital, but it demands solid technical knowledge. It's a high volume market, often favored by professional traders. Trading indices means trading the performance of a group of stocks. Examples include the S&P 500 and Nasdaq. When you trade an index, you are betting on whether the average value of the stocks in that pair index will go up or down. Understanding different markets is essential for making more strategic decisions. Start by studying, practicing on demo accounts, and figure out where you feel most comfortable. There is no such thing as a perfect market. It all depends on your profile, available time, and trading style. Now, I want to know, which of these markets are you thinking about trading in? Drop your answer in the comments. If these videos help you out, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next episodes in our World of Trading series. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!